Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing this video where I show you how to transform from an office look to a more going out of the office. I apologize if you hear any noises. I decided to film today. I have limited time because my son is sleeping and yeah, they work today and bang, bang, bang. So please take a moment to like and subscribe this video before we begin. So I have washed my face and I scrubbed. It's important to scrub your face if you're going to do long-lasting makeup, because the foundation tends to attach to dry patches of skin and it doesn't look nice. So do the most you can at home before work. So moisturize. I like using this. I already showed in another video. It's the Revolution Hydration Boost. I have combination skin, but it tends to get a bit dry and oily in this area. So any dry patches, moisturize them well. You can do primer at this point. I don't use primer. Now do foundation that you know, that you trust, that you know it's long lasting, that it doesn't cake, that it doesn't, and it looks good, you know. You already do that if you do wear makeup to work. But if you don't, and you know you're going out after, that's a good tip. A little bit of contour. Try not to overdo it so you won't look, so if usually you don't wear makeup, you won't end up feeling uncomfortable at work. So if you don't usually wear any contour, maybe you want to skip to just powder instead of doing both. Powder, so it stays all day. Now you don't have to put too much because powder can become cakey, so don't do a lot, just a little bit. Forehead. Under the eyes is the most important part. The powder, the concealer creases. And on the eyes. So I find this to be very long lasting. camera stopped recording, so I cleaned my lips from the foundation. So for working during the day as makeup, I wouldn't go so hard, but then it depends on the person. So I'm just gonna do some thin liner. Now, if you don't know how to do the wing, you can just stop it right there, it's still fine. But with the wing, twins, but they're similar. So, mascara. What do you say? Mascara or mascara? I feel like Maltese people say mascara. Now I know a lot of people don't usually... Wait a second, because I just can't talk. So, I was saying, some people just don't put any eyeliner in the eye, in the waterline. I like it, but since it's a day look and you want to see a bit of a transformation, I'm not gonna put it, so I'll put it after. Just do a good layer of mascara. Too much though, because I think I overdone it a bit. I look like a doll, kind of. So just go through with a spoolie. Blusher. Lip gloss. Because I know some people prefer this. This is also a nice look if you have glasses. I like this look. I would wear it even in the evening, to be honest, because I like it. You're going to pack some makeup with you. Now, ideally, you have a palette. It's either like this, this is blush, but to be honest, you can use it as eyeshadow if you want to. There's a brown, there's a pink, there's a shimmer gold in this, it's a BH palette. Or, this is also BH, they have this, or they had, I don't know if they have it anymore. But anyway, you could find there's plenty. Ideally, choose a palette which has a mirror, just in case you don't find any. Anyway, you're gonna pack with you a pencil, a liquid liner, mascara just in case, concealer, If you want your foundation, just in case you need it, but probably not. A round brush like this. What else? And a fluffy brush. Also get a flat brush like this. So it's 3 brushes, 2 pencils, mascara and a concealer. What else? Yeah, and it depends where you're going. If you're going to eat, don't go for red lipstick. It never goes well for me, so if you're going to a bar to have a drink, go for red lipstick because it's sexy and it's nice. If you're going to go to eat, go for a neutral lips. So I'm gonna be doing this. It's a Rimmel. It's a long-lasting one. Now, I'm gonna be going for this palette just because it has, I like the highlighter in it. I'm gonna deepen a bit the contour. Same brush, I'm gonna do the blush. And I'm gonna take this shimmery one here and just a touch. With my finger, I'm gonna use this highlight here. I'm gonna rub it in circular motions and upwards. With the shimmery one, use one of the brushes and apply on your lid. Use one of the brown colors. If you want, you could do the brown on the whole lid. It depends on how dark you want it. I'm gonna let it dry off. Some brown. Now make sure the pencil is sharpened. I always forget. And these gel pencils, they're really good and they're so long, but they do really just don't get eaten up so quickly. even if you did this step in the morning, you still want to touch it up a bit because it does fade away actually. Not to get that extra darkness. A little bit, I don't know what to call it. Not nice feeling to get your pencil in your eye like that, but it does create a nice effect. And then just put more mascara so you get a good lift up. So I'm gonna fix my hair. Okay, maybe not much, but just put your head down, makes it more evening-ish. So I just wanted to add a few things to this with this makeup. I changed the lip color just to show you that by changing lip color you could change the whole look. So you could do it for a wedding, pre-wedding, I don't know, any kind of looks, even an interview maybe. Just change the lip color. Go for something lighter. If it's in the morning, go for something lighter. If it's in the evening, go for something a bit darker, maybe red, if it feels right. Yeah, so let me know if you are interested in seeing something else. Give me suggestions of what you want to see. I'm gonna be happy to give it a try. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and like this video so I know that you are enjoying what you're seeing. And yeah, so see you till the next time. Bye!